Schlage smart locks seamlessly integrate with Apple HomeKit, allowing you to control your locks via Siri, create automations, and sync with other HomeKit devices. This video will guide you through the process using the Schlage app and leveraging Matter protocol for improved interoperability. As of 2026, the process is straightforward, enhancing your home security. Ensure you have a compatible Schlage lock like the Encode Plus or Wi-Fi deadbolt. You'll need an iPhone or iPad running iOS 16.4 or later. A stable Wi-Fi connection is required for pairing and control. Create or have access to a Schlage account for setup. For older, non-Matter compatible models, a Schlage Wi-Fi adapter may be necessary. First, install the Schlage app and create an account. Next, pair your lock via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, usually by scanning a QR code. Once paired, navigate to the app's settings and enable Apple HomeKit. This will generate a setup code required for the next step. Open the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the Add button to begin adding an accessory. Scan the setup code that appears in the Schlage app using your device's camera. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your Schlage lock as a HomeKit accessory. This links your lock to the Apple Home ecosystem. Once your Schlage lock is linked to Apple HomeKit, you can control it directly from the Apple Home app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This includes locking and unlocking the door, as well as checking the current lock status in real time. Importantly, any changes you make in the Schlage app or the Apple Home app will sync bidirectionally. This means updates happen automatically in both apps, providing consistent control no matter which interface you use. You'll also receive important notifications, such as battery alerts, directly in the Apple Home app. This keeps you informed about your lock status without needing to check multiple apps. Take advantage of Siri voice commands to control your Schlage lock. Simply say, "Hey Siri," followed by your command. For example, "Hey Siri, lock the front door," or "Hey Siri, unlock the front door." This works seamlessly once your lock is linked to HomeKit. You can also create automations in the Apple Home app. Set up routines like unlocking the door when you arrive home using your iPhone's location or automatically locking the door at a specific time each night. These automations make your smart home more convenient and secure. To create these automations, open the Apple Home app on your iPhone and navigate to the Automation tab. From there, you can configure location-based or time-based triggers for your Schlage lock. If you encounter connectivity issues, ensure your Wi-Fi is stable and your devices are within range. Check for app updates for both Schlage and Apple Home, as these often include bug fixes. For persistent problems, consult Schlage's support pages or Apple's HomeKit documentation. Schlage uses AES 128 encryption, and HomeKit adds Apple ID authentication, ensuring a secure smart home experience. Expect future integrations with AI-driven automations and features like predictive unlocking. Stay updated with the latest firmware to address any potential security vulnerabilities and enjoy the benefits of a connected home.